Good morning, everybody. It's Scout Crafter here again. And if you look around here, you can see we're at Jacktown. Sunrise, a little after sunrise. It's about 6:20, and it's a beautiful day. I mean, it's going to be hot today. They said in the 90s, close to 100, but right now it's about 75 degrees early in the morning, and everybody's just waking up, and we're early. This is what you have to be if you want the good deals. So let's see what we can get. Now, this is my buddy 805 Road King. He has a channel on YouTube, a great channel. He does all kinds of custom motors, Briggs & Stratton motors, all kinds of small engines, and he just has a wealth of information on his channel. If you haven't been there, stop by. You'll even see this engine being made. Here at the meetup, we got everybody here. We got all kinds of channels, all kinds of viewers. We're doing good here, and in a little while we're gonna have a drawing. Our first Scout Crafted drawing. We're gonna be giving away a little flap disc sander or grinder, and everybody behind us. You see 805 Road King hit me with a sticker, and looks good. Everybody's happy, good time. We'll see what happens in a few minutes. Now, my good friend Matt from the Super Wrench Garage drove up 4 hours to hit this show, and I'm so glad he did. And his son won the disc giveaway, so that was really nice. And here we are, a group shot taken by 357 Magdad while he's still on the witness protection program. And, you know, if it wasn't for Matt's daughter, we could look like the Dirty Dozen here because we're just getting ready to go through patina. And a good shout out to my friend Noah, who also drove a good distance with his parents. Great guy. Okay, that was a lot of fun, and now I'll tell you, when I came home I was exhausted between the heat and everything, but I don't want to show you exactly what I got. You know, I picked up a few things, nothing expensive, but I'll save that for when we do the restoration. I'll give you a heads up then. But right now I'd like to, being that it is Mishmash Monday, I'd like to show you a couple of tools I just picked up, and one really interesting prototype tool that came from 357 Magdad's wife. So let's check it out now. As you've seen many times before, this is my Nova DVR. This is my wood lathe, but I use it for so many more things because all it is basically a motor mounted horizontally, and you could put all kinds of accessories on here. And a lot of times you'll see I put this wire brush on here. It's mounted to a M Morse Taper 2 taper, and that goes right into here. And there you have a wire brush. And there's so many things you could put on here, but what I just recently got the other day is I got this a metalworking chuck to put on here. Now, you really can't turn metal on a wood lathe, but this has a drawbar, 3/8 of an inch by 16 threads that goes in through this side to keep it solid and to make sure that it doesn't come out. But what's nice about this is when I'm doing work and I have some polishing or sanding or things like that to do, instead of possibly contaminating my metal lathe, which is very intricate, the parts, this here, you could just lay a towel down like you see I have here. Just lay a towel down and I could turn, I could sand, I could polish, and I have a lot more room here. And as you could see, it's a nice little chuck, and it you know, I can mount a whole bunch of different things on there. So that's very a nice little accessory to have for your wood lathe. Next up, you remember last week I was doing a drill. I had a little mishap. I almost lost the ball bearing. Thank goodness I didn't. But made me think that I said, you know, I can't be without spares. So I ordered the assortment here. They come in different ones. It's around $20, but as you can see, it comes with all these sizes here. You can see the sizes up here that correspond to the compartments down here, and you can see here has a nice array of sizes, you know, and not that it's going to cover everything. In fact, there's a good chance that some of the ball bearings, but this has a good array of sizes, and there's enough of them that will help you out in any job that you might need. Good thing to have on hand. Okay, last up, 357 Magdad's wife works in a aerospace industry, and she's in R&D, research and development, and she has all access to all kinds of materials, things like that. And she came up with a wrench, a prototype that she made for me to try out, and for us at the channel to see that this wrench it can't rust. It's a non-marring wrench. It won't mar any materials. It's non-sparking and non-magnetic, and it's just amazing. It's like something. So let's go check it out. I was really excited when 357 Magdad presented this to me on at the show, and I took a look at it. But check this out. How cool is this? And it's customized. Yep. I got all those things. It's non-sparking. I'd like to take it over to wrench tester, but I don't have a nut that size. But how great is this? Non-sparking. It never will rust. Non-marring. Non-magnetic. It's just amazing. What a great job. And special thanks so much to 357 Magdad's wife for doing this. This is awesome, and really appreciate it. So with that, we're going to shut down the shop for tonight. Go upstairs, sit in the air conditioner, watch a little TV while this downloads. And thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you have a nice day. Take care now. Bye-bye.